In this video, we've highlighted the best mechanical keyboards on AliExpress that stand out in the market for their exceptional quality. I carefully selected this list based on factors like popularity, performance, affordability, durability, user feedback, and more. For additional details about these products, please check the description section below. And don't forget to hit subscribe to stay updated with our future reviews. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Aula F75 Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. The Aula F75 wireless mechanical keyboard is perfect for gamers and professionals seeking premium performance. It features a 75% compact layout and provides an optimal balance of functionality and desk space. The keyboard supports hot swappable switches, letting you easily customize the feel and sound to your preference. Equipped with the innovative Reaper Axis switches, it delivers precise and responsive key presses, enhancing your gaming and typing experience. The OEM profile keycaps and gasket-mounted structure offer a smooth, comfortable touch and effective noise dampening. Wireless connectivity ensures a clutter-free setup and the robust battery keeps you powered through long sessions. Elevate your workspace and gaming setup with the Aula F75, combining sleek design, top-tier features, and customizable performance. Number 2. Akko 5075B Plus ANSI/ISO 75% Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The Akko 5075B Plus is a premium 75% mechanical gaming keyboard designed for flexibility and performance. It supports ANSI/ISO layouts and features hot swappable 3/5 pin switches, allowing you to customize your typing experience. Enjoy seamless connectivity with 3 modes, 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth 5.0, and USB Type-C. Its vibrant RGB backlighting offers customizable effects, enhancing your gaming or work setup. The keyboard is crafted with durable materials for longevity and features a compact layout for space-saving convenience. Perfect for gamers and professionals, it ensures low latency and high responsiveness. Whether gaming or typing, the Akko 5075B Plus combines style, functionality, and cutting-edge technology to elevate your experience. Number 3. Machenike K500 Mechanical Keyboard. Elevate your gaming and typing experience with the Machenike K500 Mechanical Keyboard. It features 94 compact keys and combines the functionality of a full-sized keyboard with a sleek design. The hot swappable switches allow for easy customization, letting you choose your preferred tactile feel without soldering. Equipped with vibrant RGB lighting, it enhances your setup with 16.8 million colors and customizable effects. This wired keyboard ensures low latency for an uninterrupted gaming session. Compatible with Mac and Windows, it's perfect for gamers and professionals. Built for durability, the K500 boasts high-quality materials for long-lasting performance. Whether for intense gaming or efficient work, the Machenike K500 is your ultimate productivity and gaming companion. Number 4. Ajazz AK820 AK820 Pro Mechanical Keyboard. Discover the Ajazz AK820 AK820 Pro Mechanical Keyboard, a perfect blend of functionality and style for gaming and productivity enthusiasts. This keyboard features a TFT screen and multifunctional knob, offering customizable controls for media, lighting, and more. Its mechanical switches ensure a satisfying typing and gaming experience with high durability. Enjoy flexible connectivity options, wired, 2.4 GHz wireless, and Bluetooth, making it compatible with multiple devices. The RGB lighting enhances your setup, creating a dynamic atmosphere. Crafted with a robust build, it's designed to last while delivering performance. Ideal for both gamers and professionals, the Ajazz AK820 AK820 Pro redefines efficiency and aesthetics. Upgrade your desk setup today with this versatile and feature-packed keyboard. Number 5. HXSJ V200 Wired K68 RGB Streamer Mini Gaming Keyboard. Introducing the HXSJ V200 Wired K68 RGB Streamer Mini Gaming Keyboard, the perfect blend of style, performance, and convenience. Featuring a compact, mini design, this keyboard is ideal for gaming and office use, saving desk space without compromising functionality. The RGB streamer lighting adds a vibrant gaming atmosphere, with customizable modes to match your style. Designed with 19-key conflict-free technology, it ensures smooth and accurate input during intense gaming sessions. Although it's a membrane keyboard, it delivers a mechanical-like feel, providing tactile feedback for enhanced typing and gaming. Built with durability in mind, it's wired for a stable connection and responsive performance. Upgrade your setup with the HXSJ V200, where style meets functionality. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.